This is the best way I've found to store clamps. First, I laid out my clamps and found a piece of wood big enough to hold them. It's better to start oversized. You can trim it down later. To make the slots for the clamps, I picked a drill bit slightly bigger than the shaft of the clamp, but smaller than the jaw. I laid out where the screw holes would go. The exact measurements depend on your clamps, but I put mine about 1.5 inches from the edge with 1 inch between each hole. Using a square, I drew lines for the slots, then cut along them with a jigsaw. I cut 2 small pieces of wood for triangular side supports and drew the angle I wanted. I taped them together so I could cut both at the same time while keeping my fingers out of the way. With the slots cut, I trimmed off the extra wood from the end to make the piece symmetrical. I'm going to hang the clamp holder with pocket hole screws, which I drill before assembly, but you can use the method of your choice. Finally, I glued and nailed everything together. This clamp holder is part of a tool cart I built that's loaded up with useful features like this. There's a full video on my channel about the cart that's full of ideas that will help you organize your tools.